Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to online classes of Sri Ram Public School. I am your SST teacher and today we are going to see our chapter soil as a animated form. Okay. Let us start and revise our chapter 6 soil. Formation of soil. Soil is defined as the top layer of the earth's surface which consists of sand, remains of dead plants and animals, and minerals with some amount of water and air in it. And soil is one of the most important natural resources. It is the topmost layer of the earth's surface on which plant and trees grow. Soil of India. Types of soil. Let us see how many types of soil found in India. First, alluvial soil. Second, red soil. Third, black soil. Fourth, laterite soil. Fifth, desert soil. And sixth, mountain soil. Let us see alluvial soil. Alluvial soil is the most fertile soil found in India. It is mostly found in the northern plains and along the coastal plains. Characteristics of alluvial soil. This soil is very fertile. These soil contain adequate proportion of potash, phosphoric acid and lime which is ideal for the cultivation of sugarcane, paddy, wheat and other cereals and pulses and crops. Due to its high fertility, these regions are intensively cultivated and densely populated. Himalaya rivers brings down a huge amount of fine silt which gets deposited on the river bank. It is rich with all minerals and nutrients, retain moisture for a long. A variety of crops such as rice, sugarcane, wheat, pulses, oilseed, and vegetables grow well in this soil. Black soil. Black soil is formed by that are made of ancient lava. It is dark brown in color. Black soil is found in large part of Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Tamil Nadu. Black soil holds a large amount of moisture in it. It is suitable for cultivation. Beside cotton, other crops such as millet, sugarcane, wheat, oilseed can be grown in this soil. Laterite soil, Latin word meaning brick, formed under high temperature and rainfall with wet and dry spell. Silica is late due to high rainfall. Remains of iron, aluminum oxide left behind is known as laterite. Brown to yellowish color, becomes hard when exposed to atmosphere and used as building material. Laterite soil is found in Maharashtra, Karnataka, Bihar, Assam, Meghalaya. It is found in area where heavy rainfall and it is poor nutrition and granular in nature. The soil is used for growing coffee, coconut, tea and rubber. It is also good for growing cashew nuts. Bricks made of dried or baked laterite soil are widely used as building material. Laterite soil, see it is. These bricks are made from the laterite soil which is used in building material. Mountain soil. Let us see mountain soil. This soil varies from place to place. It is found in foothills of the eastern ranges, Arunachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh as well as Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Mountain soil is rich in nitrogen. and humus. Humus is a natural fertilizer formed from dead leaves and plants which helps plant grow better. Crops such as tea, spices and fruits are grown in this soil. Mountain soil found in the hill slopes formed by the deposition of the organic matter from the forest. Rich in humus, desert soil. Let us see desert soil. Desert soil is found in desert areas like Rajasthan, Gujarat, southern part of Haryana. This soil is sandy and porous, but with the help of irrigation, crops such as barley, maize, dates, pulses, cotton can be grown. Let us see soils found in India, the area of the soil. Mountain soil in hilly areas of Himalayas like Jammu and Kashmir. Alluvial soil is found in the northern plains and coastal areas. Red soil is found in area like Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand and Tamil Nadu. Black soil, it is found mainly in the area of Deccan Plateau. Laterite soil, it is found in Maharashtra, Kerala, Karnataka of the region, and the desert soil is found in the area of Rajasthan. You can see in this map according to color, it's shown in this map. Soil erosion. The removal of the fertile topsoil by the action of wind and water is called soil erosion. Strong winds, heavy rainfall, and cutting down of trees increase soil erosion. These are the reasons of soil erosion. Causes of soil erosion. Running water carries away the upper layer of the soil and leaves of the land barren. Strong winds blow away the top layer of the soil. Probably deserts were formed in this way. Human activities like cutting down of trees and overgrazing by animals also lead to soil erosion. Effects of soil erosion. What is the effect of soil erosion? First effect is main is soil erosion reduce the fertility of the soil. Farmers are not able to grow crops and become poorer day by day. Ways to prevent soil. How can we prevent soil erosion? We should plant more trees and ensure that trees are not cut down carelessly, and embankments should be built around the fields, and terrace farming in hilly areas prevents soil from being washed away by running water. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.